How to post Instagram story from laptop or PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can post a story from your PC or your laptop. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to any of your web application and search for www.instagram.com. As you do so, get logged into your Instagram account from a web browser, and once you're at the home page, press Ctrl+Shift+I. As you do so, you will see this page on your right hand side. Here, click on this arrow icon and also click on this mobile or the second option. Make sure these all are blue and now refresh your page. Now as you do so, close this button and here you'll see your story and a plus icon. From here, click onto it and it will open up your devices gallery. From there, add any story that you would like. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.